Raise the traction table to a workable height. Raise the backrest and locate the metal bracket. Remove the plastic caps using a thin, flathead screwdriver. Loosen both nuts with an 11/16" socket, ratchet, and wrench. Continue to loosen them by hand and remove them while holding the bracket. Put the bracket back into place and insert the motor pedestal. While someone holds the pedestal, secure the washers and nuts on both sides and tighten with the wrench and ratchet. Put the plastic caps back into place. For more information, please visit orthocanada.com.